Okay, this is what's going on. This movie.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Wait 1 second. What kind of fucking costume is this? I look like a fucking homeless transformer.
Okay, wait one goddamn moment. I made that suit myself, plus you're homeless. You live with your mother. She's a great man.
Oh no, you didn't. How dare you say that?
How dare you not brush your teeth? Don't say any words with D's in it. Your breath smells like wild dog shit.
Fuck you, fuck your scent. And change your pamper, old man. You're the one that smells. You smell like 2 old cats breakdancing in garbage.
Oh heavens, I'm insulted.
And extremely old. Now cut my check so I can leave. And please take these boxes and throw them out. Take your money and buy some real costumes with your cheap ass. I know these are stolen.
Whatever. Take Mount shit off and get the fuck out. Go back home with your mom. Tell her to save me a plate. Tell her it'll be by at 10 for my blowjob. Be gone, bitch.